Hi, this is Pranav Achanta from Informatica Support, and in this video KB, I'll be explaining to you how to parse a JSON response using a schema. So the agenda for this video is to set up the schema for a JSON response and use the REST web consumer transformation to make a get call and parse the above response. If you have seen my previous videos, I have shown you how to set up the output definition for a JSON response and also have to see the actual response in a verbose data log and the corresponding XML response in the verbose data log. So as you can see here on my screen, I have my verbose data log open and I have an XML response which the developer tool got from converting the JSON response from the web service. So what I will do in this step is I will copy this guy, I'll save it in a text file and use that file to create my schema object. So as you can see, I have copied my file into a text editor and I'll save this file and use this to build the schema. So as you can see here, I'll go to my folder and I'll create a new schema. I'll create it from a sample file. I'll browse for my sample file. And I'll open the sample file and click finish. And now I go back to my mapping. Let me create a new REST web consumer transformation. I'll call this schema. My HTTP method is still get. There is no input applicable in the get method. So in this step is where it differs from the previous video. So I create the method output definition from a schema object. So I'll go to my KB and this is the guy. This is the schema which we created from our sample file. So as you can see, the XML root and the corresponding elements get automatically updated in the method output definition as well as the output mapping. This is particularly useful when your response has a great many fields. So instead of manually creating the structure for yourself, you can use a schema object. So I click finish. So I have connected my source to my mapping and I have configured the URL and the input format and the output format. And as you can see, I run my data viewer. And as expected, the REST consumer transformation parses my JSON response according to the output definition I have created by using a schema object. We would love to hear from you. You can contact us at supportvideos@informatica.com and our Twitter handle infosupport. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.